why machine learning? And why now? The ideas from machine learning are not new. So the algorithms, like the machine learning algorithms, the learning algorithms, their ideas like goes all the way back to the 60s and the 70s, like their foundations. But just with the algorithms, the ideas about, okay, we're gonna set up this thing where we're gonna take pictures of dogs and cats, and then the machine will learn to differentiate between a dog and a cat. Like just that idea wasn't enough to actually make it happen. There are two missing components. One was computing power. Again, our computers weren't powerful in the 60s and the 70s, right? And nowadays we have super powerful computers. Even today we have stuff like this, right? Our phones, they're incredibly powerful comparing to something like 20 years ago. So with the advent of computing power, it made a reality. But to actually make it all happen, you need the ingredients, you need the data so that the machines can learn from. And again, with the devices, with the internet, with the social media, with all of that, we have this Cambrian explosion of data, like the size of data, like increasing so much that, you combine all of this tree, and then you have this recipe for, the models, the systems to really capture those patterns. So that's why nowadays we do have machines able to differentiate dogs and cats that they see in pictures. So it's very good accuracy. So yeah, with all of that together, then we are in a brave new world where new products, new user experiences, new features can be developed because of this technology.